All right, I think I got about 5 minutes. Those that want to start line dancing, we get started early. Okay, the first line dance I'm going to teach is called, name of the house was See About You. It was created by Wanda Mack in Detroit. The group that made the name of the song is Highness. Okay? So, starts out with your right foot. So I'm teaching it slow, but it's a cardio line dance. It's pretty fast. Okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8, and out, quarter, turn, step back, and kick, ball, chain. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, out and out, quarter, turn, step back, and kick, ball, chain. So the foot that you cook out with, the kickball chain is going to be with the opposite foot. Okay? So we're going to do 4 of these. Right, left, right, left. So start with the right again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out and out. Quarter, turn, step back, and kickball chain. With the left. Out and out. Quarter, turn, step back with the right, kickball chain. Let's do that left again. Out and out. Quarter, turn. Step back with that right, kick, ball, chain. Okay? So we'll start with the right, left, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out and out. Quarter, turn. Step back and kick, ball, chain. Out and out. Quarter, turn. Step back and kick, ball, chain. Out and out. Quarter, turn. Step back and kick, ball, chain, out and out, quarter, turn, step back, and kick, ball, chain. Everybody good? Yes? Yes. Okay, that's part 1. Part 2, right, left, tap, kick, and right, left, right. You're going to kick to the wall that you're going to move to. Right, left, tap, quarter, turn, kick, and 1, 2, 3. Let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, tap, kick, and right, left. We're going to hit every wall with this step. Okay? Let's try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, tap, kick, and right, left. And right, left, tap, kick, and right, left, and right. Left, tap, kick, and right, left, and right, left, tap, kick, and right, left. Everybody good with that step? Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and right, left, tap, kick, and right, left, and right, left, tap, kick, and right, left, and right. Left, tap, kick, and right, left, and right, left, tap, kick, and right, left. You gotta step out with that right foot. Okay? So that was part 1, part 2. For the first rotation, the next step is a chorus. Right up, right back, scuff and jump. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right up, right back, scuff and jump. Everybody good with that? Left up, quarter turn, feet together. Okay? Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right up, right back, scuff and jump. Left up, quarter turn. Do it again. Up, back, scuff and jump. Left up, quarter turn. And right, back, scuff and jump. Left up, quarter turn. Right up, back, scuff and jump, left up, quarter turn. So that chorus we do all 4 walls. Okay? Let's start from the very top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out and out, quarter turn, step back, and kick, ball, chain. Left, out and out, quarter turn, step back, and kick, ball, chain. Right, out and out, quarter turn, step back, and kick, ball, chain. Out and out, quarter, turn, step back. Part 2, and right, left, tap, kick and right, left, right, left, right out, tap, and kick and right, left, right out, and tap and kick and right, left, right, and right, left, right, tap, kick and right, left, chorus, right up, right back, scuff, jump up, left up, quarter turn, together, right out, back, scuff and jump, left up, quarter turn, together, right up, back, scuff and jump, left up, quarter turn, right up, back, scuff and jump, left up, quarter turn, together. Okay? Part 1, part 2 chorus. Okay, the remix is like chicken walk. Right, left, right, left, right, quarter turn, and right, left, right, and left, right, stop right there. Stop right there. So in the first rotation, this is where you're going to stop the remix. You're going to kick out left, quarter turn, kick up with your right, out with your left, out with the right, cross that left over for a count, back to the front. Okay, and we're going to start it over in part 1. So one more dance, yep. So let's start this remix. Right, left, right, left, right, quarter turn, and right, left, left, and kick, out, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, everybody get that? So face this way. So your kicks are always going to be left, right, out right, cross the left over for a count towards the right shoulder. So right here, kick left, quarter turn, kick up, out, turn. Okay? So part 2, when we get to the second and third rotation, we're actually going to be facing that back wall. Kick left, kick right, out right, cross left, 4 count, turn. But on that first rotation, we stop it here. Okay? All right, so after you do that remix, you go back to part 1. Out and out, quarter turn. That's part 1. Okay? All right, you want to start from the top? 5, 6, 7, 8. Out and out, quarter, step back, and kick, ball, chain, left, out and out, quarter, turn, step back, and kick, ball, chain, right, 1, quarter, step back, and kick, ball, chain, left, quarter, step back, and part 2, and right, left, tap, kick, and right, left, and right, left, tap, kick, and right, left, and right, left, tap, kick, and right, left, and right, left, tap, kick, and right, chorus, right, up, back, scuff, and jump, left, up, quarter turn, right, up, back, scuff, and jump, left, up, quarter turn, right, up, back, scuff, and jump, left, up, quarter turn, right, up, back, scuff, and jump, left, up, quarter turn, remix, and right, left, left, quarter turn, and right, left, left, kick it out, kick, side, 4 count turn, part 1, out and out, quarter turn, step back, and kick, ball, chain, left, out and out, quarter turn, step back, and kick, ball, chain, and out, quarter turn, step back, and kick, ball, chain, left, out and out, quarter turn, part 2, and right, left, tap, kick, and right, left, 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 stop right there. So this is our second rotation.
I know you said it's fast. Was that real time?
No, faster.
Okay, well, can I see this?
You want to see? No, that's
I said put the
out
music
and out, quarter turn, step back, and kick, ball, chain, and out, quarter turn, step back, and kick, ball, chain, and out, quarter turn, step back, and kick, ball change, and out, in, out. Quarter turn, step back, and part 2, right, left, tap, kick it, right, left, right, and right, left, tap, kick it, right, left, right, and right, left, tap, kick it, right, left, and right, left, tap, kick it, right, and chorus, and up, back, scuff it, jump, left, up, quarter turn, and up, back, scuff it, jump, left, up, quarter turn, and up, back, scuff it, jump, left, up, quarter turn, right, up, back, and scuff and jump, left, up, quarter turn, remix, and right, and left, quarter turn, and right, and left, and kick it out, and kick, out, 1, 2, 3, 4, and go back in the part 1 again. That's about the speed. That's about the speed. Maybe just a little bit faster, but that's about the speed. See about me. So one more hustle, yes. Okay, so we started part 1 and part 2 on our circle rotation. Second rotation, you're gonna do part 1, 2, 3, 4, chorus and remix. So let me go over 3 and 4 for you, okay? 3, this is probably the hardest part of the hustle. Swirl, tick, kick, jump up. So your swirl is going out, and you're doing a tick with it. Swirl, tick, kick, jump up, left, up, quarter turn, feet together. All 4 walls of this step, okay? So keep those steps kind of short because, again, it's fast. 5, 6, part 3. Swirl, tick, kick, up, jump up, left, up, quarter turn, and swirl, tick, and kick, jump up, left, up, quarter turn. Kick it with that left foot. Swirl, tick, kick, jump up, left, up, quarter turn. And swirl, tick, and kick, jump up, left, up, quarter turn. Okay? Part 3 is a run up. You run it up with that right foot for 3, you run it back for 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Out, left, quarter turn, out, and in. You're doing that for all 4 walls. Okay? Part 4, 5, 6, starting with the right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Out, left, quarter turn, out, bring it in. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Out, left, quarter turn, right foot. Right, left, right. Right, left, right. Out, left, quarter turn, out and in. Right, left, right. Right, left, right. Out, left, quarter turn. Chorus. Up, back, kick, jump, up, left, up, quarter turn. And up, back, kick, jump, up, left, up, quarter turn. Right, up, back, kick, jump, up, left, up, quarter turn. Right, up, back, kick, jump, up, left, up, quarter turn. Remix. And right, left, left, quarter turn. Right, left, quarter turn. Right, left, kick it. Kick up, kick out, turn 4, count, start it over. And we got 1 more rotation to do after that.
That was the 3rd rotation?
3 times.
That time we did, so the 2nd and 3rd rotation, you're gonna do that quarter turn 3 times on the remix. On that 1st rotation, you're gonna stop here. Kick left, quarter, kick up, out, turn. So ready to try with music?
Yeah, might as well get the feel up.
All right. There you go.